Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of DevSecOps in 60 seconds or less. 1. Security is value. Security and compliance are essential to a company's value generation and reputation. In a DevSecOps pipeline, these elements are prioritized, optimized, and continually improved. 2. Efficiency. DevSecOps applies automated security across pipelines from beginning to end. This greatly increases the overall speed and reliability of security in general. 3. Agility. DevSecOps engineers can find and react to issues swiftly and without causing delays. This agility can also be applied to improving processes whenever possible. 4. Risk management. DevSecOps ensures that vulnerabilities, bugs, and other problems are caught and fixed early on. This reduces the risk of downtime, compliance breaches, or other issues down the line. And 5. Freeing assets. DevSecOps processes create time that security specialists can use elsewhere, such as for creating further improvements, upskilling team members, and so on. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on DevSecOps, DevOps, and SRE, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.